Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to my new video. So today we'll take a look at the Dauntless hack client coded by Randomamazingguy, who has also coded the Sigma client. It's a simple client with all the basic hacks, a really nice looking GUI and much more. As always, the download link is in the description, so be sure to check it out and download it. And if you don't know how to install a hack client, then please check out my tutorial, which you can also find in the description. So now enough of talking, and let's go to the game and check out the client. So there we go. Okay, so we're now in the game. This is the Dauntless hack client running on Minecraft 1.7.2, and the main menu is very simple, so nothing has changed here. Only we have a new button, which is the Alt Manager, and here you can add alt account. So just fill in username and password for a premium account. And if you just want to change your name for a cracked server, then only fill in username like I do. Leave the password form blank, go to done, and then you will see non-premium, and now you can log in with the account, and then you have changed the name for offline servers. But as I said, this does not work on premium servers. Okay, so basically that was everything here in the main menu. Now we can join a multiplayer server and check out the features of the hack client, so there we go. Okay, so we're now here online on a multiplayer server, and the server IP is here directly on the screen, and you can also find it in the description. And the server is really awesome to test out hack clients because it's 100% vanilla, has no protection against the hacks, and also hacking is allowed. Then here you can see the server owner, which is killing the embers, so if you have a problem, just talk to him and he will help you. Now this hack client doesn't have any commands which you can enter, so there's only a GUI, and you can open up the GUI by pressing the epsilon key on the keyboard. So this opens up the hack hub, and as always this is a drag and drop GUI, so you can drag and drop this box here around the screen. Then the left plus is to pin it to your screen, and the right plus is to expand the categories. So we have player related hacks, rendering hacks, movement hacks, combat hacks, world related hacks, utility, values, a translator, design, array list, IRC, waypoints and information. Okay, then now let's go quickly through the categories. So here we have player related hacks, and if you're not sure what the hack is doing, all you have to do is just hover with the mouse over the hack, and then you get a little description what the hack does. To activate the hack, all you have to do is just click at it. We have here auto tool, creepbot, derp, god mode, which is only auto jump I think, and we have no fall and speed mine. You can also switch the no fall mode with the right mouse button. Then here we have array list, so this tells you which hacks are currently activated, like climb, description and speed mine. Then further we have view, which shows a picture view of your skin, what you have in your hands and what you're wearing, so pretty cool thing. And this is also real time, so it does exactly what you are doing. Then further we have movement related hacks, so now let's take a look at it. Here we have climb, we have fly, and here you can also switch the fly mode with the right mouse button. And further we have glide, sprint and step with different modes. And as you can see, fly is working here pretty well on this hack client. And on this server it is really awesome because you don't get kicked for flying. Okay, then let me fly back up here. And there we go. Then now let's close the movement related hacks, and let's take a look at the next category, which is values. And here we can adjust several values like the aura range and aura speed, which is perfectly for PvP. Also we have sphere size for the rendering hack. Then here we have fly speed, and as you can see it was now at 4, which was really fast, and 10 is very fast. We also have mining speed, timer speed and regen speed, so pretty awesome. Then now the next category is combat related hacks, and here we have a good working kill aura, which has different modes like all, player, mobs, animal and props. Then further we have no blind, no flinch, rapid fire and regen. Okay, then let me test kill aura here at embers. And there we go, so the range is now set to very near, so it is not working that well. So you have to adjust the aura range to a little bit more, and as you can see now it is working. But anyway, you will later see a PvP gameplay to see how good the PvP hacks are working on this hack client here. Okay, so that were the combat related hacks, and now let's take a look at the next category, which is waypoints. Here we have a waypoint manager, so here you can add waypoints. Just fill in a name for the waypoint, go to add, and then you have set the waypoint. You can also edit the coordinates if you want to, and there's a huge list of waypoints, and you can also delete them if you want to. Okay, then further we have some world related hacks. So here we have day, we have phase with different modes. We have full bright, we have no render, we have no web, a nuker, timer and weather. Also I'm currently now in creative, so that means we can test the nuker because the nuker only works in creative. Okay, so now let's fly over there and let's try to nuke the tree. Okay, then let's go back to the GUI. Nuke is activated, and now let's try to nuke the stuff here. And as you can see, it is working. Creative mode detected, starting to nuke. And the nuker works really well here on this hack client, but unfortunately there are no keybinds, so this sucks a little bit and you have to activate it here over the GUI. Then we have timer and weather. Okay, so now let me get back here, and as you can see, timer and speed mine is also working pretty well. Okay, so let's close the world related hacks and now let's take a look at the designs. This is really awesome because you can edit all the colors from the body, like header, inside, text and borders, and also with sliders and ESP you have many color editing possibilities and you can make really many designs. Unfortunately you can't save the designs, so if you want to switch the design then you have to edit the color again. It would be really awesome if you could also save the colors. Then here we have tracers, border width and opacity for the GUI. Okay, then now let's take a look at utility, and here we have a chat log which logs all the chat. We have a compass which you can see here at the top. Further we have description which shows the hack description, we have name tags, we have print log, and we have waypoints which shows the waypoints from the waypoint manager. Okay, then now let's take a look at the rendering hacks. So here we have breadcrumbs, a chest ESP, mob ESP, outlines, a play ESP, prop hunt, hit spheres, tracers and trajectories. And as you can see, all those things are working. And the screen bubble, which you can see here around killing the embers, is called hit sphere. And I really like this hack, and you can also adjust the size of the hit sphere. You can do this here under values in the GUI, and this is really awesome. But now let's deactivate this and breadcrumbs, and then let's take a look at the next category, which is the translator. I'm not sure if this one is working, so you can insert any word into there, then just hit the enter button and then you can switch between the languages, but I'm not sure what it is doing. Maybe it inserts the message into the chat, or I don't know where the output of this translator is, but I think it is just not working. Then further we have this little widget which shows your current coordinates, in which direction you're looking and your current frames per second. And last but not least we have my favorite feature, a IRC chat directly here in the GUI. So here you can talk with other people, you can share IPs of servers which you raid, or you can join other people which are currently raiding a server. And I really like the IRC chat, and also there's a lot of activity in there. Okay guys, so basically that were all of the features of this hack client. I would rate this hack client with 7 out of 10 points because the keybinds are not working, but I really like this one. It has all the hacks you need and all of them are really working. And now you will see a little PvP gameplay to see how good the hack client is at PvP. So just sit down, enjoy, and thanks for watching.